Ever wondered if you could send euros from your crypto wallet to a friend's bank account without any hassle? It sounds a bit like magic, doesn't it? Bridging the world of decentralized finance with traditional banking has always been one of the biggest challenges, and for a long time, it felt like two separate universes. You had your crypto for trading and investing, and your bank for day-to-day life. But what if there was a simple, secure, and incredibly fast way to move between the two? This isn't about some complicated, multi-step process. It's about a feature that makes crypto feel less like an abstract asset and more like a real, usable currency. And if you've been using Bitwala, you're already halfway there. Today, we're going to dive into the one thing that truly makes Bitwala stand out: its seamless integration with the traditional banking system. We're talking about how to transfer euro directly from your Bitwala account. The process is surprisingly straightforward, but there are a few key details that can make all the difference. The first thing you'll need is your recipient's bank details. This includes their full name, the name of their bank, their IBAN, and the BIC/SWIFT code. The IBAN and BIC are crucial for international transfers within Europe, ensuring the funds land exactly where they're supposed to. Make sure you have these details handy and triple-check them for accuracy. A single wrong digit can send your money on a detour you don't want it to take. Once you're ready, open your Bitwala app. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. You'll see an option to send money. This is where the magic happens. Select New Transfer and choose Euro Transfer or a similar option. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through each step. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's details that you gathered earlier. Input their name, the amount you wish to send, and the IBAN and BIC. Take another moment here to double-check everything. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Some platforms might also ask for a reference or a purpose for the transfer. This is a great place to add a note like family support or invoice payment, which helps with a smooth and quick processing on the receiving end. After you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll be shown a summary of the transfer. This will include the amount, the recipient's details, and any potential fees. Bitwala is known for its transparency, so the fees are usually minimal and clearly stated. Review the summary one last time and then confirm the transfer. Depending on your security settings, you might need to authenticate the transaction with a PIN, a fingerprint, or a facial scan. This is a critical security step that protects your funds. Once authenticated, the transfer is sent. Unlike a typical crypto transaction that can take a while to confirm on a blockchain, Bitwala's euro transfers are processed through the SEPA network, which means they are typically very fast, often arriving within minutes or a few hours on business days. And just like that, you've successfully transferred euros from your crypto-linked Bitwala account to a traditional bank account. It's that simple. This capability is what makes Bitwala so powerful, offering the best of both worlds, the innovation and flexibility of crypto combined with the stability and familiarity of traditional banking. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.